and insurance MCQs. The question: which bank is known as Bankers Bank? Option A RBI, B SBI, C PNB, D NABARD. The correct option is A RBI. The next question: a banking system where business is carried on by a bank through a network of branches spread throughout the country is known as A unit banking, B branch banking, C chain banking, D group banking. The correct option is B branch banking. The next question: dash refers to a system of banking in which two or more independent banks are brought under the control of a holding company. Option A group banking, B chain banking, C deposit banking, D investment banking. The correct answer is A group banking. The next question: dash banking is a system where banks combine both the deposit banking and investment banking function. A chain banking, B deposit banking, C investment banking, D mixed banking. The correct option is D mixed banking. The next question: India's first women bank, the Bharatiya Malya Bank, was inaugurated in which city? Option A Mumbai, B Delhi, C Kolkata, D Chennai. The correct option is A Mumbai. The next question: current deposit is also known as dash: saving deposit, demand deposit, time deposit, recurring deposit. The correct option is B demand deposit. The next question: which deposit are repayable after the expiry of a fixed period? Option A demand deposit, B time deposit, C saving deposit, D recurring deposit. The correct option is B time deposit. The next question: dash is a credit facility granted by commercial banks to current account holders. The option A cash credit, B overdraft, C discounting of bills of exchange, and D demand loans. The correct option is B overdraft. The next question: the process of dash begins with banks lending money out of primary deposit. The option A credit creation, B cash credit, C debit creation, and D overdraft. The correct option is A credit creation. The next question: CRR refers to dash: A cash reserve ratio, credit reserve ratio, C common reserve ratio, and D none of this. The correct answer is A cash reserve ratio. The next question: NBFI refers to dash: A non-banking financial industries, B non-banking financial institutions, C net banking financial industries, D net banking financial institution. The correct option is B net non-banking financial institution. Next question: DIGC refers to dash. Option A Deposit Industrial Guarantee Corporation, Development Insurance Guarantee Corporation, C Development Industrial Guarantee Corporation, D Deposit Insurance Guarantee Corporation. The correct option is D Deposit Insurance Guarantee Corporation. The next question: SLR refers to statutory liquidity ratio, stability liquidity ratio, C safety liquidity ratio, D none of this. The correct option is A statutory liquidity ratio. The next question: EFT stands for electronic fund transmission, electronic fund transfer, electronic features transfer, and D none of this. The correct option is B electronic fund transfer. The next question, which bank was introduced first ATM machine in India? The option A RBI, B HSBC, C PNB and D ICICI Bank. The correct option is B HSBC Bank. The next question, CDM refers to cash deposit machine, cash credit B credit development method, C cash development method, D cash development machine. The correct option is A cash deposit machine. The next question, ECS refers to easy, option A easy cash service, B electronic cleaning service, C electronic cash service, D easy cleaning service. The correct option is B electronic cleaning service. The next question, NEFT refers to dash, A National Economic Fund Transfer, B National Economic Fund Transfer, C National Electronic Fee Transfer, D none of these. So the correct option is D none of these. The next question, IFSC stands for dash, option A Indian Financial System Code, B International Financial System Code, C Indian Fund Service Code and D none of this. The correct option is A Indian Financial System Code. The next question, RTGS stands for dash, option A real time gross settlement, B real term gross settlement, C real time goal settlement, D real term goal settlement. The correct option is A real time gross settlement. The next question, SWIFT stands for dash, option A Society for Worldwide Internet Financial Telecommunication, B Solution for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, option C Society for Worldwide Internet Financial Telecommunications and option D Solution for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. The correct option is D Solution for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. The next question, CBS stands for option A core banking solution, common banking solution या option D credit banking solution. The correct option is B core banking solution. The next question, CTS refers to dash, option A check truncation system, option B check transaction system, option C check transaction system solution and option D check transaction solution. Then the correct option is A check transaction system. The next question, Credit Information Bureau India Limited is India's first credit rating agency which was incorporated in the year dash, option A 1988, B 2000, C 2005 and D 1995. The correct option is B 2000. The next question, KYC refers to dash, option A known your customer, B known your credit, C known your city and D known your company. The correct option is A known your customer. Next question, delivery of financial services at affordable cost to the disadvantaged low income segments of the society known as dash. Option A, credit creation. B, financial execution. C, financial inclusion. D, consumer credit. The correct option is C, financial inclusion. The next question, RBI Act was comes into existence. The option A 1934, B 1935, C 1948 and D 1945. The correct option is A 1934. The next question, Banking Regulation Act was comes into existence dash. Option A 1949, B 1934, C 1956 and D 1949. The correct option is A 1949. The next question, a check bears a date earlier than the date on which it is presented to the bank. It is called dash. A, post dated check. B, antedated check. C, outstation check and D, local check. The correct option is B, antedated check. The next question, a check bears a date which is yet to come. It is called as dash. Option A, post dated check. B, antedated check. C, cross check and D, self check. The correct option is A, post dated check. The next question, if a check presented for the payment after 3 months from the date of a check is known as dash. Option A, self check. B, multilated check. C, local check and D, settled check. The correct option is D, settled check. The next question, if a check is torn into 2 or more pieces and presented for the payment, it is called dash. Multilated check. B, stale check. C, local check and D, self check. The correct option is A, multilated check. The next question, cancellation of check is known as dash. Option A, crossing. B, opening of crossing. C, double crossing and D, general crossing. The correct option is B, opening of crossing. The next question, MICR refers to dash. Magnetic ink characters reorganization. B, magnetic information character reorganization. C, magnetic ink code reorganization. Option D, magnetic icon character reorganization. The correct option is A, magnetic ink character reorganization. The next question, the person who seeks protection against a risk and to whom the insurance policy is issued is known as dash. Option A, insurer. Option B, customer. Option C, insured and option D, creditor. The correct option is C, insured. The next question, unbefriended means that. Option A, principles of utmost good faith. Option B, principle of insurable interest. Option C, principle of indemnity. Option D, principle of subrogation. The correct option is principles of utmost good faith. The next question, which principle means that make good or compensate the loss? Option A, principles of contribution. B, principles of subrogation. Option C, principles of indemnity and option D, principles of insurable interest. The correct option is C, principles of indemnity. The next question, IRDA stands for dash. Option A, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Option B, Industrial Development and Development Authority. Option C, Insurance Restructuring Restructuring and Development Authority, and option D, Insurance Refinancing and Development Authority. The correct option is A, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. The next question, IRDA Act was passed in the year. Option A 1948, B 2000, C 1999 and D 1956. The correct option is C 1999. The next question, Hall insurance related in the case of option A building, option B lives, option C machine and option D ship. The correct option is D ship. The next question, in case of life insurance, HLV refers to dash A home legal value, B home human life value, C human legal values, D house length value. The correct option is B human life value. The next question, dash of a life policy means transferring the rights of the insured in respect of the policy to another one. The option A nomination, B consideration, C assignment, D agreement. The correct option is C assignment. The next question, both assignment and nomination are possible in the case of dash insurance policy. Option A life, B fire, C marine and D vehicle. The correct option is A life. The next question, dash is the price paid by the insured for the risks undertaken by the insurer. The option A wages, B premium, C salary and D compensation. So the correct option is B premium. The next question, dash scheme are intended to insure a group of individuals together. Option A insurance, B wages, C salary and D group insurance. The correct option is D group insurance. Next question, group insurance provides insurance cover to a number of persons under a single policy called option A master policy, B single policy, C group policy and D marine policy. The correct option is A master policy. The next question, in case of group insurance, the amount of the premium is depends upon dash. Option A types of insurance, B amount of premium, C terms of insurance and D periods of insurance. The correct option is B amounts of premium. The next question, dash means voluntary termination of the contract of life insurance by the policy holder. Option A key man insurance policy, B surrender of policy, C master policy and D group insurance policy. The correct option is B surrender of policy. The next question, Marine Insurance Act comes into existence on dash A 1963, B 1988, C 1948 and D 1976. The correct option is 1963. The next question, in the case of marine insurance, hulk means that dash A sinking of ship, B loss of cargo, C body of the ship and D none of this. The correct option is C body of the ship. The next question, dash denotes the act of throwing overboard a part of the ship's cargo in order to reduce the weight of the vessel. Option A battery, B justice son, C assignment and D sizer. The correct option is B justice son. The next question, Insurance Act comes into existence on dash. Option A 1956, B 1948, C 1938 and D 1988. The correct option is C 1938. The next question, reinstatement policy is related in the case of which policy? Option A, life insurance policy, B, marine insurance policy, C, fire insurance policy, and D, group insurance policy. The correct option is C, fire insurance policy. The next question, a reinstatement policy is intended to cover damages or losses in respect of dash. Option A, fixed asset, option B, vehicle, C, ship, and D, life. The correct option is A, fixed asset. The next question, payment of compensation in case of reinstatement policy is in the form of dash. A, option A, cash, B, replacement, C, cash or in kind, and D, in kind. The correct option is B, replacement. The next question, which policy is taken to cover loss on those goods which are lying in different places and the stock value will be continuously fluctuating? Option A, comprehensive policy, B, floating policy, D, declaration policy, and D, average policy. The correct option is B, floating policy. The next question, in case of motor insurance policy, form A is commonly known as dash. Option A, act policy, B, package policy, C, act and packaging policy, and D, liability policy. The correct option is A, act policy. The next question, in the case of motor insurance policy, form B is commonly known as option A, liability policy, B, act policy, C, package policy, and D, act and package policy. The correct option is C, package policy. The next question, when a particular property is insured with two insurers, it is called dash. Option A, property insurance, B, double insurance, C, single insurance, and D, particular insurance. The correct option is B, double insurance. The next question, personal accident insurance is highly attractive for dash. Option A, individuals, B, partners, C, industrialists and businessmen, and D, senior citizens. The correct option is C, industries and businessmen. The next question, which insurance covers the financial loss arising out of poor health condition or due to the permanent disability? Option A, accident insurance, B, health insurance, C, life insurance, and D, burglary insurance. The correct option is B, health insurance. The next question, dash means selling of insurance policies and products through banking firms. Option A, assurance, B, balance assurance, C, insurance, and D, policy. The correct answer is balance cost insurance. The next question, Life Insurance Corporation of India was formed in the year dash. Option A, 1948, B, 1964, C, 1956, and D, 1988. The correct option is C, 1956. The next question, the General Insurance Corporation of India was formed in the year dash. Option A, 1973, option B, 1948, option C, 1956, and option D, 1984. The correct option is A, 1973. The next question, General Insurance Corporation of India Act was formed in dash. Option A, 1973, option B, 1963, option C, 1972, and option D, 1962. The correct option is C, 1972. The next question, which risks may result in loss or gain? The option, particular risks, B, pure risks, C, speculative risks, and D, fundamental risks. The correct option is C, speculative risks. The next question, dash risks are arises due to the changes in the economic policies of the government. Option A, speculative risks, B, particular risks, C, dynamic risks, and D, financial risks. The correct option is C, dynamic risks. The next question, risks which arises if there is no change in the economic policies of the government is. Option A, dynamic risks, B, static risks, C, particular risks, and D, financial risks. The correct option is B, static risks. The next question, in which types of risks origin and consequences of risks affect the large number of people? The option is A, particular risks, B, static risks, C, fundamental risks, and D, particular risks. The correct option is C, fundamental risks. The next question, where a monetary loss is likely occur, such risks are described as dash. Option A, monetary risks, B, financial risks, C, particular risks, and D, fundamental risks. The correct option is B, financial risks. The next question, principles of insurable interest means dash. A, utmost good faith, B, subrogation, C, monetary interest, and D, indemnity. The correct option is C, monetary interest. The next question, the principles of sub-recognition is an extension of which principle? Option A, principles of indemnity, B, principles of utmost good faith, C, principles of insurable interest, and D, principles of insurance. The correct option is A, principles of indemnity. The next question, when a deposit of money is received by the banker, the bankers becomes the dash. Creditor. Option A, creditor, B, debtor, C, receiver, and D, customer. So the correct option is B, debtor. The next question, when a deposit of money is received by the banker, the customer becomes the dash. A, debtor, B, creditor, C, customer, and D, lender. The correct option is B, creditor. The next question, the primary relationship between the bankers and customer is dash. Option A, giver and receiver, B, debtor and creditor, C, insurer, and D, insured. The correct option is B, debtor and creditor. The next question, a dash is a person to whom the management of a particular property is entrusted for the exclusive benefit of the third party. Option A, customer, option B, beneficiary, option C, trustee, and option D, agent. The correct option is C, trustee. The next question, Bankers Book Evidence Act was comes into existence dash. Option A, 1880, option A, 1881, B, 1891, C, 1890, and D, 1892. The correct option is B, 1891. Next question, dash is the right of the creditor to retain possession of the property belongings to the debtor until certain demands of the person is possession are satisfied. Option A, lien, option B, returning, option C, surrender, and option D, none of this. The correct option is C, surrender. The next question, FDR stands for dash. Option A, fixed delivery receipt, B, fixed deposit receipt, C, final deposit receipt, and D, final delivery receipt. The correct option is B, fixed deposit receipt. The next question, in which year negotiable instrument act was passed dash. Option A 1981, B 1956, C 1881 and D 1984. The correct option is C 1881. The next question, dash is a person who draws or makes a check. Option A drawee, option B drawer, option C payer and option D pay. The correct option is B drawer. The next question, in the case of a check, the drawee will always be a satisfied dash with whom the drawer keeps an account. The option A person, B partner, C customer and D banker. The correct option is D banker. The next question, dash is a person to whom the amount of a check is payable. Option A drawer, option B drawee, C payee and D customer. The correct option is C payee. The next question, which one of them are corrected in the case of parties involved in a check? Option A debtor and creditor, option B banker and customer, option C drawer, drawee and payee, option D drawer and payee. The correct option is C drawer, drawee and payee. The next question, when a check is especially crossed to more than one bankers, it is called dash. Option A general crossing, B special crossing, C not negotiable crossing and D double crossing. The correct option is D double crossing. The next question, dash means signing a person's name on the back of the negotiable instrument. Option A crossing, option B endorsement, C special crossing and D general crossing. The correct answer is B endorsement. Next question, endorsement facilitates that dash. Option A selling, B transferability, C buying and D none of these. The correct option is B transferability. The next question, the person who endorses the instrument is called dash. Option A drawer, B drawee, C insurer and D insuree. The correct option is C endorser. The next question, the person to whom the endorsement is made is called dash. Option A endorser, B endorsee, C drawer and D drawee. The correct option is B endorsee. The next question, sometimes further endorsement can be made on a separate slip of a paper attached to the instrument, such a paper called dash. Option A document, B stamp, C allowance and D notice. The correct option is C. The next question, when an endorser mainly signs his name on the back of the instrument without specifying the name of the person to whom the instrument is endorsed, is called dash. Option A blank endorsement, B full endorsement, C conditional endorsement and D facultative endorsement. The correct option is A blank endorsement. The next question, when an endorser not only signs his name on the back of the instrument but also specifies the name of the person to whom the instrument is endorsed, is called dash. Option A blank endorsement, B conditional endorsement, C full endorsement and D partial endorsement. The correct option is C full endorsement. The next question, dash is an endorsement in which some of the rights of the endorser are waived. The option is restrictive endorsement, B special endorsement, C fluctuative endorsement, and D qualified endorsement. The correct option is C facultative endorsement. The next question, dash is an endorsement which limits the liability of the endorser. The option is sans recourse endorsement, B sans phrase endorsement, C partial endorsement, and D per pro endorsement. The correct option is A sans recourse endorsement. The next question, in sans phrase endorsement, the word sans phrase means that the dash, option A without name, option B without expense, option C without money, and option D without consent. The correct option is B without expense. The next question, dash endorsement is an endorsement made by an authorized person on behalf of other. Option A partial endorsement, B restrictive endorsement, C per pro endorsement, and option D sans recourse endorsement. The correct option is C per pro endorsement. The next question, dash is a copy of customer's account in the bank's ledger. Option A cash book, option B passbook, option C checkbook, and option D pay in slip. The correct option is B passbook. The next question, PMJDY stands for dash. Option A Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, B Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana, option C Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Dhan Yojana, and option D none of these. The correct option is A Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. The next question, in which types of banking systems several banks join hands with each other for meeting the credit requirements of the large borrower? The option A group banking, B consortium banking, C net banking, and D none of these. The correct option is B consortium banking. The practice of conducting banking transactions from home rather than at bank branches by means of electronic telecommunication known as dash. Option A branch banking, B group banking, C chain banking, and D home banking. The correct option is D home banking. The next question,